Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open Lloyds bank account online in UK for international student. So let's get started. So now here we are in lloydsbank.com, and this is where you want to go to open your account for international students. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click here on the menu button, and from here you can go here in the current accounts, and from here you can see the youth and student account. So this is what you want. So click on that. And then from here, you can see why choose a current account and why choose savings account and so on. But you want to scroll down for a little bit. And from here, you can see the student account right here. So this is the current account, and for full-time students age 17 or over only. And here you can have a contactless Visa debit card up to £1,500 interest-free, arrange overdraft in years 1 to 3 and up to £2,000 in years 4 to 6, and free everyday banking, and you would have unlimited withdrawals. And for more information, you can just click here. So now once you're ready to open it, click here on student account, and then you will now be prompted right here. And from here, you can now click here on ready to apply to begin the application process. And now for the application for a new account, you can also do this in the mobile banking app by scanning the QR code online or in any Lloyds Bank branch with your document IDs. So you will need your 4-digit UCAS code confirming your place for your course. You can find this when you log into the UCAS portal, and then your proof of identity such as driving license or passport, and then your proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once you are all good with this 3 right here, click on continue to website. And then on here is the process on opening your bank. So here you would need to click here on continue. So you can also use your mobile phone to continue, because they would require you to take a picture of your photographic ID to prove your identity. And click on continue. And from here, are you an existing Lloyds Bank customer? In my case, it's no. So all of this basically are just personal information, so you can just answer this depending on your case. So just answer honestly right here, and then first name, middle name, last name, and so on. So just like I said, all of this now on this step are all personal information. It would just require you to upload your ID for proof of identification and so on. It would ask you about your monthly income, and it would ask you to put your username and password for your Lloyds Bank account. And then lastly, it would also ask you to choose what account you'd like to open here as a student. So yeah, I don't think you need any further guidance with this one, because all of these are just personal information. So that is basically it on how you can open a Lloyds Bank account in UK for international students. So just complete this personal informations right here, and then you would now be able to open your Lloyds Bank account for international students in the UK. Thank you for watching.